Some side hustle sounds like anybody can do it and can earn a decent amount from it. And the creators online shows it like these side hustles can make you rich without doing any hard work. And many people believe them because they don't know how money actually works. And if it is that easy, why not many people are doing it? As I have already invested my time on all of these things, I know people only tell half information about these side hustles. So I'm going to talk about two side hustles in this video. So if you're planning to do it, this information will save you a lot of time. So the first side hustle is data entry or writing jobs. 99% of work from home data entry jobs and websites are fake, and you may have already seen them on Instagram. These people run ads on Instagram and their websites look completely legit, but deep down they are completely fake. And it is very hard and almost impossible to find a legit data entry job online. One of my friends has already fallen for this trap. And that's when I got to know about these things exist. And I have also saved some people who are planning to do this data entry job. I know when you desperately want to earn some side income to handle your expenses, and when people see these kind of jobs, even if they had knowledge that this could be fake, still they fall for these things because they look real, but they are not. So how can you identify fake data entry jobs? Remember these points. If they hire you without any typing test, if they do any legal looking argument from you, if they are paying you higher amount per page, if they are asking you money for any sort of reason like security deposit, software, registration charges, legal fees, or any damn thing. And sometimes they don't even try to ask money, but they try another trick that they will deduct some amount from your first salary for any sort of reason. Or maybe they will not pay you for any accuracy reason that you have not written things accurately. Or they may give you a lot of work that you can't complete in time. And in that exchange, they will demand money from you for the late work. I got to know about these things when I was trying to earn some side money, and I came across this data entry job. But because of my research and experience, I know they were all fake. So you will get a lot of opportunities to make money online, but don't fall for these things. They will just waste your time, money, and energy. The next thing is online survey websites and micro AI jobs. Now I have already wasted my 3 months on this. Why? Because people online made it look so easy and gave a fake hope that you can earn a decent amount from it. And as I was also very desperate to earn money, and this also feel legit, so I tried it. But in reality, they were completely different. In the name of surveys, these websites only ask for your personal details like your photo, your ID card photos, and also give other works like testing apps and websites. Even if they have some legit work, they will never accept you. And many of the time, there are no available work for any region. And let's say even if you earn some amount from these websites, it would be very hard to withdraw your earnings because you need to complete a minimum threshold amount. For example, $100 or $50. And when your earning touch these amount, then you can only withdraw your money in your bank account, which is very hard because you will only get paid around $0.1 or some $1. So it will take you a lot of time to reach the $100 threshold. And if you find some legit website who provide real work and money, then on those kind of website to get the work, you need to give a proper competitive level test and qualify it. I have given many of these kind of tests, and believe me, my ChatGPT limit got exceeded, but I had never got accepted on any of these works. Even if my answers were completely right, after submission of the test, I never received the clarification email. I don't know why, they just don't accept. And if you ask some other person who have tried these things, they will also say the same things. And other different work are only for professional who have some kind of skills. So you cannot just pick any work and start doing it. So some websites are legit, but it is very hard to get accepted. The work is not consistent. You can get the work today, but there would be no work tomorrow. So it is not stable at all. The work is completely repetitive and the accuracy matters a lot. And almost every legit platform requires you to pass a qualification test. So that is the reality of online surveys and micro AI service websites. So before you try any easy statuses online, make sure you get all the information around it so you can save yourself from these things. I would say either invest some time in learning real skills if you really want to earn money online, like video editing, content creation, AI. These will help you to make real money, and obviously it will take time. Don't fall for get rich quick schemes. You will only waste your time, money, and effort on it. And if you're confused where to start, Just explore different topics on YouTube and Instagram. Keep learning, build some skills, and you will also find something which you can try and earn from it. I try to keep you aware of the side hustles and business model so you can get clarity on how actually things work, how people actually make money online without any fake hope. So subscribe if you want more clarity around it, and also like if you learned something from this video. And I will see you guys in the next